everyone. So let's study significant figures today. So first of all, I have written down this number here. In this example, you can see these zeros. So first of all, you need to know that non-zero numbers are those numbers which are not zero, right? So 5, 8 and 3, these are non-zero numbers, right? And these zeros which are before non-zero number, these three zeros are called leading zeros, okay? And the last zero, which is like a tail, so this is called trailing zero. As you can see here, I have written down everything, okay? Now let's see how many significant figures are there, okay? So I have written down some examples here. So in first example, where you do not have any zeros, how many significant figures are there? So first significant figure, second and third. That means there are 3 significant figures, right? Now the next one, 2392. All of them are non-zero numbers. How many significant figures are there? First significant figure, second significant figure, third and fourth significant figure. That means there are 4 significant figures. Now let's see another example, 709. That means there is a 0 between 2 non-zero numbers, right? So this is called in between 0. Okay, in that case, whenever you have a 0 between 2 non-zero numbers, that is counted as significant figure as well, okay? So first significant figure, second significant figure and third significant figure. So you have 3 significant figures. The next one, again same. So these 2 zeros are between 2 non-zero numbers. So these are called significant figures, okay? So first significant figure, second, third, fourth and fifth significant figure. That means there are 5 significant figures. Now in this example, when you have trailing zeros, so 500 has 2 trailing zeros. In that case, we do not count these 2 zeros as significant figures. So 5 is the only non-zero number, so we count that. So 5 is first significant figure and that's it. So there is only 1 significant figure. Similarly, 200, it has 2 trailing zeros. So there is only 1 non-zero number, 1 significant figure. Because of this decimal sign, all the zeros before this decimal sign become significant figure. So first significant figure, second and third significant figure. That means there are 3 significant figures. Now what if we have a trailing zero after this decimal point? It is counted. So first significant figure, second, third and fourth significant figures. Okay, so there are 4 significant figures. Now let's see these 2 examples. So here you have leading zeros, but they are only 2 non-zero numbers. So leading zeros are never significant figures, right? So 1 and 2. So first significant figure and second significant figure. So there are 2 significant figures. Again, leading zeros are not significant figure. So this is my first significant figure, second and third significant figure. So there are 3 significant figures. Now there is a quiz question. Pause the video and find out how many significant figures are there. Did you find out? So let's see how we do it. So these 3 zeros, these are leading zeros. So we do not count them as significant figures. This number, this is my first significant figure because this is a non-zero number after the decimal point. First non-zero number. So first significant figure, now this is in between 2 non-zero numbers. So this is my second significant figure, third and fourth significant figure. Now the question is whether this is my significant figure or not. So answer is yes, because any trailing zero becomes significant figure only if there is a decimal before it, which is here in our case, okay? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures. So here we have more questions. Try them out and write down your answer in the comment section below.